In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Google Wallet app and enable fingerprint security to ensure your transactions are safe and seamless. Whether it's your first time using the app or you're reinstalling it, following these instructions will help you get started with confidence. First, let's begin by ensuring you've successfully downloaded and installed the Google Wallet app on your device. This app is an incredibly convenient tool to manage your finances, offering a secure way to store and use your debit and credit cards digitally. Once you have the app installed, go ahead and open it up for the first time. You'll notice that the app prompts you to enable fingerprint authentication, which is a fantastic way to enhance the security of your digital wallet. By using your fingerprint for verification, you add an extra layer of protection, making sure only you have access to your financial information. When prompted, you'll need to approve the request to enable this feature. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve placing your finger on your device's fingerprint sensor to register your fingerprint. Taking this step helps ensure that your transactions remain private and that only you can authorize payments. If, for some reason, you skip this step or decide not to enable it right away, there is a straightforward way to set it up later. However, I highly recommend addressing it during the initial setup to avoid any future hassles. Now, if you skipped enabling the fingerprint initially and wish to rectify this, the simplest approach, involves uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it. Don't worry, this process is quick and easy. Begin by locating the app icon on your device, press and hold it, and select the option to uninstall. Once that's done, head back to your App Store, search for Google Wallet, and download it again. Opening the app after reinstallation will prompt you once more to enable the fingerprint feature. This time, take the opportunity to approve it by following the same procedure mentioned earlier. By taking the time to set up fingerprint authentication, you're ensuring peace of mind knowing your financial data is secured. Not to mention, it's an effortless way to access your wallet, providing both convenience and security. In summary, enabling fingerprint authentication during the initial setup is ideal for securing your Google Wallet. However, if you skipped it initially, remember, uninstalling and reinstalling the app gives you a second chance to safeguard your transactions. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be ready to enjoy safe and secure digital payments. Thank you for watching and good luck with your Google Wallet setup.